Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to do a tutorial on how I go from curly to straight hair. I also just wanted to kind of see, how long my hair is now. So please keep watching and I hope you enjoy. So what I do first is I take a shower, I wash my hair, and I'm gonna start with fresh hair. And when I'm in the shower, I use a cleansing shampoo. Right now I'm using Hair Foods cleansing shampoo and I absolutely love it. I highly recommend it. Makes your hair feel nice and soft. And I'll also do a deep conditioner just to keep my hair moisturized so it doesn't get dry and all that good stuff. So from here, what I'll do is I will kind of detangle my hair if it needs any more, and then brush it and use a blow dryer to make it dry so it's not wet when I try to straighten it. So before I blow dry, I'm gonna use this Chi leave-in, and this will help just to protect against heat damage. So I'll put a little bit of it in now, and then when I actually go to straighten my hair, I'll put some more in. So okay, then I'll just go in and brush and detangle anything that needs to be brushed out. But like I said, that shampoo is really good and it helps your hair to not really get that tangled, and it's easier to brush through, so I highly recommend it. And then from here, I'll part my hair. And I'll go ahead and blow dry my hair until it's completely dry. Okay, so from here, I'm gonna split my hair up into sections and then go back and put that the Chi Silk Infusion and straighten my hair. So I just parted into 4 sections again, just like I did whenever I blow dried my hair. All right. So for my straightener, I use the Ultra Chi hair straightener, which I got forever ago. I've had this hair straightener for a very long time, and it's been very good to me. So we'll go ahead and get started. So what I'll do is take this section of hair and I'll put some more of the Chi Silk Infusion in it and just kind of put it in throughout my hair until it's nice and evenly distributed. And then from here, I'll take a little section of my hair and I'll straighten it little section by little section. So I use the chase method. So you take a comb and whatever hair you're gonna straighten, you're gonna follow that comb with the straightener. And I think that this really helps to get your hair more straight. So just go ahead. I'm gonna focus on the roots a little more just because it's harder to get those straight. And yeah, so I'll just keep going through. There's a little bit of seam, which could just be from some product buildup on the straightener and might have a little bit product left in my hair. So, but yeah, so I'll just straighten through, use the chase method, and do that to every section of my hair until it's done. So this is the finished look, and it took me about an hour and a half to straighten my hair. Also in the comments, put how long it takes you to straighten your hair, because it's rough out here. It takes a long time to get this accomplished. But yeah, so what I'll do is, I live in Florida, so it's incredibly humid, so my hair doesn't stay straight for very long. But to try and help with the frizziness and all of that, I use an oil of some sort, like argan oil or something, and I'll put it throughout my hair just to make it more smooth and less frizzy. So I don't really have anything special right now, but I do have this Gliss weightless oil that my mother gave me because she had a coupon. So free product for me, but I'll just like spray it around in my hair, and then that kind of helps to just like keep the frizziness away, I guess. But other than that, that's it. That's how I straighten my hair. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up. I also have other curly girl hair tutorials that you can check out. So subscribe to my channel, and I'll see y'all next time.